This tutorial will guide you how to get Claude API. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now on your browser, just type for platform.cloud.com, exactly like this. So platform.cloud.com, then you visit this website. Now also this site here, let me log out and show you how it will look. So I'm going to select and then log out. And then once you go to platform.cloud.com, if on this page here is first time, just make sure to log into your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, make sure you have funds here, but I'm just showing you how you can get the API keys. So you can select here API keys and then select create key. And then you can give it a name. Maybe you can give it like Claude API test, just an example. Then you can choose expiring. Maybe if you want to never it expire, you can set it to never, or just maybe like 1 day. And then you can select add. And then you'll get the API key here for Claude AI. So you can copy the key. They say keep a record of the key below. You won't be able to view it again. So that's how you can get Claude API key.